Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you where the battery sensor is located on Ford Focus guys and how to replace it. Now quick introduction guys, we have more than 200 videos on Ford Focus guys and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully we can save you some money. All the tools and parts that we use in our videos guys, you can find usually the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. So let me show you what we have now here. We have a 2012 guys Ford Focus, but it should help for the whole generation from 2012 to 2019. Third generation Ford Focus guys. And once you open the hood of your vehicle, okay, it doesn't matter which engine you have, usually your car battery will be located right here, okay, under this cover. So I'll go ahead, pull that cover out, okay, and let me show you quick now. Back here, that's where your sensor is located. Always guys, use gloves, okay, when you work on your vehicle. Always use gloves, because if there is some acid from the battery, it can burn your fingers guys. Now what we can do guys here, okay, we can get a 10mm wrench, okay, and I'm going to get the negative cable, okay, loose on this side. So just give me a couple of seconds and I'm almost ready here. Okay, now let me see if we can move that terminal a little bit, okay, and we'll be able to pull it out that way. Just get loose a little bit more. Always use gloves guys. Why I don't use them, I don't know, but you should. This is, okay, let's get up now so I can show you. This is your battery sensor right here. So how you guys replace that thing now? Practically, okay, you have to replace the whole clamp and everything. And those sensors sometimes will go bad because acid from the battery will get on it. Check that out. Oh, that is acid. And right here now, I'm going to get guys a 13mm, okay, and we're going to remove that negative wire right here. Okay. Check it out now. It's going to come loose. It's almost there. Now those, they tend to rust as well sometimes. This is the jumper post cable here, the one that you attach the negative cable here. Okay, it's almost out. Now guys, we can grab it. Now we need to disconnect that connector here. Press down, disconnect it, and this is your battery sensor out of there. That's where it's located. That's how you remove it. That's how you replace it guys. If you have problems with your battery sensor, that's what you do. If you need to buy a new one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.